Good luck.
Thanks. We'll celebrate later.
Yep.
You did it. I did it.
I heard the door coming, so I was recording. I'm so proud of you! Yay!
I did it.
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, honey.
Oh, it's a big relief.
Yeah.
Big relief. Oh, I knew you would.
I knew I would too. I felt so confident about it.
Oh.
There's definitely stuff on there that I like.
Yeah.
Yeah, but overall, I
That's
felt
not the
really good.
focus, yeah. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Oh, I'm so excited. It's a huge weight off your back. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Tell the vloggity vlog.
Oh.
You passed. Oh wait,
I
it's
passed.
dark lit because of that. Oh, your face is red. You're probably working hard in there.
Yeah, I was
Nervous.
getting tired too.
Yeah.
But I passed.
You're licensed.
I passed my life and health insurance exam, and then I have to apply for my license, and then I'll be licensed in a week or two.
Hells yeah! Cat daddy, cat daddy. Literally cat daddy.
Oh my God. Oh wow.
Aw.
Towards
Do you
the
need
end
some
there.
water? I got my monster sundae. Look at his eyes. Good morning, guys. Well, actually, good afternoon now. I think it's like almost 1:30 or 2. But I was filming a yoga flow. Fonzie's here to say hi because they get locked out while I film. But I wanted to let you guys know that I filmed a new moon and solar eclipse yoga flow and also a Earth Day yoga flow as well. Those will be out by the time that this video is out, so don't forget to check those out. They're always linked in my description. Right, Fonzie? Right?
That's a thing that I would technically need for.
I had that damages song stuck in my head.
I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song, and then you stood there smiling at me, as so many times before. I'll never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio is playing the song. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Will you still love me as I'm getting lonely and old? And when you are away, I sometimes shiver and cold. It is hard to define you, but you're worth more than gold. When everything is told. Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for